My name is Alex King. I'm a psychologist and I work as a behavioral health consultant in primary care. In my role, I offer recommendations and support to doctors and patients on how to make changes necessary for improving health, such as how to decrease risk factors for cardiovascular disease. Cardiovascular disease refers to diseases of the heart and blood vessels. This includes things like high blood pressure, stroke, and coronary artery disease. These diseases can lead to chest pain, heart attacks, and heart failure. There are many behaviors that can be changed to help decrease your risk. Physical factors include diabetes, high blood pressure, and high cholesterol. Lifestyle changes, like diet, remain the most important thing for lowering cholesterol. Behavioral factors are tobacco use, overeating, lack of physical activity, diet, alcohol use, and missed medications. There are also emotional and cognitive factors that are related to the development of cardiovascular disease, including stress, depression, anxiety, and anger. Learning to reduce your stress response through relaxation exercises provides short-term benefits for lowering heart rate and blood pressure. Depression is common in patients with cardiovascular disease, which shows up as tiredness, lack of energy, and irritability rather than negative mood. Anxiety symptoms are also common and may be present in as many as 70 to 80% of individuals following a cardiac event, such as a heart attack. Environmental factors include having a small social support network and social isolation. To decrease your risk factors for heart disease, focus first on the three most important health behaviors: tobacco use, overeating, and physical inactivity. As a behavioral health consultant, I can help patients identify target risk factors and set goals to improve their overall health. For example, we could focus on taking medications regularly by developing a routine and setting reminders, or we could target anxiety or high blood pressure by focusing on relaxation skills through breathing exercises. We could also discuss behavioral strategies for quitting tobacco or increasing activity level. Be sure to talk with your doctor if you would like assistance to improve your health, or ask for a referral to behavioral health from your primary care doctor.